Hello and welcome to Cook It Out. I know you're probably hungover, so I won't take a lot of time. First, we need 2 bananas. Peel them off and throw them into the blender. You do not need to cut them. Now, if you are living the ghetto life and you don't have a blender, don't worry, just take the bananas and mash them up with the fork. Now that of course means that you'll have to mix everything with your hand, but exercise is always good. Anyway, let's cover this up and blitz. As you can see, the bananas are nicely mashed. Now we need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. You can take any peanut butter, creamy, crunchy, just don't worry about it. I have homemade peanut butter right here, yes, and I'm going to put this 1 tablespoon in. If you want to make your own peanut butter at home, the recipe link is right here. Then we'll put in half a scoop of protein powder. This is unflavored whey protein. Now whey protein is not compulsory, it's just a good source of protein for the body, and if you want to have this shake as a pre-workout, then definitely put some whey protein in. So make sure you have unflavored whey protein, not the flavored ones, because that's just gonna ruin the taste of it. Now, milk. So we're gonna take 1 cup of milk and pour it all in. Now full cream milk tastes the best, but you can take any milk that you have. Toned milk will also work. And just cover this up. Let's pour it into this beer mug. Look at that, thick and delicious. Now you might be wondering why and how this works in a hangover, right? Well, when you drink alcohol, it rids your body of sugar, potassium, salt and a lot of other nutrients. So when you're hungover, you need a heavy meal that would replenish all of that. And especially since your body is a little weak, liquid diets are much better at curing the hangover. So this has loads of potassium because of the bananas, loads of sugar again because of the bananas. It has protein because we put protein powder in, some peanut butter, and it has milk. Now this shake works brilliantly as a pre-workout meal as well. And for those of you who are actually interested in the macros, they are on your screen right now. Drink this and your hangover will be gone in less than 5 minutes. I have tried this on myself. I have tried it with a lot of my friends as well. It always works. And that's it. Do try this out and let me know how it worked for you. If you've got any other suggestions for hangover cures, leave them down in the comment section. Share it with your friends because I am sure it will be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thank you.